In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Zoho Books. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to books.zoho.com. Sign into your organization so you land on your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side menu and find the banking section. Click banking to open the page where all your financial accounts will live. At the top, you'll see an option to add bank or credit card. Go ahead and click that. Zoho Books can connect to many banks automatically, but in this walkthrough, we're going to set things up manually so you have full control over the details. In the Add Bank or Credit Card Account area, choose the option to add an account manually, then click Add Account to continue. Next, you'll be asked what type of account you're adding. Choose Bank to create a standard bank account record rather than a credit card account. This keeps your chart of accounts organized and your transactions categorized correctly. Now it's time to enter the key details. Start with the account name. Pick a clear, recognizable name like operating account or client funds so your team can identify it at a glance. If your organization uses a code for the chart of accounts, enter that here as well. This helps with reporting and keeps everything aligned with your accounting structure. Set the currency to match the actual currency of the bank account. This is important for accurate balances and exchange calculations, especially if you manage multiple currencies. Then add the account number exactly as it appears with your bank. Enter the bank name so it's easy to search and filter later. You'll also see a field for the bank identifier code, sometimes called BIC or SWIFT. This is used for international identification of your bank. If you're unsure, check your bank's documentation or your online banking profile. There's a description field too. Use this for internal notes, such as how the account is used, location, or any restrictions. Good descriptions can save time for anyone reconciling or reviewing accounts later. Before moving on, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the currency, verify the account number, and make sure the account name is clear. When you're confident the details are correct, click Save. That's it. Your bank account is now added to Zoho Books and will appear in the banking section, ready for recording transactions, reconciling, and running reports. If you ever decide to enable a bank feed in the future, you'll already have the structure in place. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick